Welcome to Granny Square, your ultimate companion for perfecting the art of crochet. Our detailed step by step instructions for the classic granny square guide you through each stitch with ease. Explore our video tutorials for both the classic granny square and the beautiful sunflower granny square. We've added 4 new features to make your crochet journey even more enriching. Easily navigate crochet patterns with our UK versus US terminology mapping feature. Find the perfect hook size for your yarn with our comprehensive guide. Learn how to read and understand crochet patterns with our detailed tips. Enhance your skills with expert tips and tricks all in one place. Download Granny Square today and take your crochet skills to the next level. Available now on the Google Play Store. Granny Square, crochet made easy right at your fingertips.